Vilde Amerika. I aften kl. 20.00 på Viasat Nature. Over hele verden er man begyndt at finde giganternes ekoer.
We knew it was going to be something good, but we had no idea how good it was going to be.
Denne sæson tager vi med på jagten efter en forsvunden verden.
It's pretty exciting.
These things were tons of anger and intelligence.
This is definitely one of the best samples people have ever found.
That is amazing.
Forhistoriske kæmper starter torsdag den 7. december på Viasat Nature. Joel Spradwitt vender tilbage til Zambia.
It's pretty exciting because I haven't seen these dogs since last year.
Mate, I've missed you.
Men der er sket store forandringer.
Right now there's a lot of lions in the area. It's bad news for the dogs.
Flokken har større udfordringer og flere måneder at mætte.
This is an extraordinary privilege to be so close to these puppies.
Stunning.
Vilde hunde. Flok versus loyalitet starter fredag den 8. december på Viasat Nature.